my window and see screwed up things do to peeps thinking we got another place to go, but they don't realize that this is our only home. But then self-preservation doesn't strike home. When I take a peek at my window, I see litter all over the streets like it's someone else's job to clean up the slop, when it should be we who picks up, not a mom. When I pull up the blinds, I expect sunshine, instead I see deteriorating bloodlines. We ourselves created these tough times. Sometimes when I stare at my window, all I see is pain. I disdain all the people that complain when they're more than capable to help change. It's not like it's total arcane. I look out my window, what do I see? I see the planet damaged, and it's amazing to me. Cause when I look out my window, all I see is sadness. I see madness, I see blackness, I see a blood canvas, I see a cannibalistic planet. When I look out my window, I witness vicious sickness. It's a lack of ambition, senses, expenses, pretentious. We made this be wishing. It's not the grip but the jackhammer, so we don't have to live living. It's us that we should blame. It's us that ignited the flame. It's us that let it loose and attain. It's because of us it remains the same. When I take a glance out my window, I notice how life is so out of focus, on the brink of being totally broken. We can rise up from being at our lowest. So when I look out my window, I want a different outlook. When I look out my window, I want to see people at the top of mountains, standing tall. I look out my window, what do I see? I see the planet damaged, and it's amazing to me. Cause when I look out my window, all I see is sadness. I see madness, I see blackness, I see a blood canvas, I see a cannibalistic planet. When I look out my window, listen, listen, listen. I look out my window, what do I see? I see the planet damaged, and it's amazing to me. Cause when I look out my window, all I see is sadness. I see madness, I see blackness, I see a blood canvas, I see a cannibalistic planet. When I look out my window, I see the government trying to take our guns, thinking we all are the same just because of some. It's like they say you can't judge a whole race cause of a few Muslims. When I look out my window, I see that it is evident that we got a shady president and a cure for cancer. I call it cannabis medicine. I take a good look out the window and I find the clock ticking away as we're running out of time. We say we want change and it starts with you and I. If we want change, it begins with you and I. If we want change, it starts with you and I. It's you and I that can make a difference.